Hi guys, welcome to Marcy's Senior Kitchen. Today we're going to make some coconut drops. Guys, I'm going to make these coconut drops just like how my grandmother used to make it when I'm small. Guys, I used to sit there and watch my grandmother make these drops. And guys, I used to enjoy watching my grandmother make these drops. And guys, whatever she used inside of it, that's what I'm going to use today into my drops. And guys, we have some amount of vanilla, and we have the ginger here, the coconut, the sugar, and some nutmeg. Guys, stay tuned. So guys, the pot is on and it's time to get in the coconut into the pot. So we're going to put in the coconut into. And guys, we're also going to put in our ginger into. We're going to get in our nutmeg. And guys, we're going to allow it to cook for 35 minutes before we get in the sugar into it, because the coconut is have to cook properly before we get in the sugar into it. So guys, now it's time for we to get in our sugar. The coconut is cooked. And guys, why we cook the coconut? Because it do not hurt your tummy when you eat the coconut drops. So it's time for we now to get in our vanilla into it. And also we're going to put in our sugar into it. And when you cook your coconut like this, guys, it do not hurt your tummy. When you eat your drops, you enjoy your drops because the coconut already cooked. So we're going to make it, allow it to cook down until it go right down, and it's time for we to drop our drops. You see it here, guys, when you make your coconut like this, coconut drops, it's healthy. It do not hurt you when you eat it. Any time of night you want to eat, you can eat it. Do not hurt your belly because your drops is cooked. Your coconut is cooked properly before you add your sugar into it. So guys, look on it. Since the sugar go inside of it, look on it now. It's going right down. Height to drop. And guys, if you ever smell it, oh my god, it smells so nice. And guys, I'm gonna taste it. Guys, I take up some and I taste it into my hand. Guys, if you ever taste it, nice. So guys, you have to allow it to cook till it go right down for time to hit the drops. So guys, look on it. Not fully reach the part we're supposed to drop it as yet, but it get into there, guys. So guys, look on it. It's very sticky. You see it? It's time for it to go and drop. So guys, it's time to drop it. If you do not have leaf to drop it, and you can use your file paper. Guys, this thing is very hot, so don't make it catch your hand. So guys, our drops is very cool, and now it's time we can move it. You see guys, it's already set. So allow it to cool before you can remove from off the file paper.